Hello and welcome back, everyone. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. We're going to wrap it up with the last of our wild card stuff we have. This will be the 2023 box. So our newer stuff, our first time, if you didn't catch that video, I know it's been a little while now. We did find a CJ Stroud autograph in it. So 6 autographs in this box. And we're chasing those quarterbacks for this year that I've got some playing time. So some Stroud, Anthony Richardson, Bryce Young. Let's see how we do. Fun product. Be a short video, only 6 cards. And yeah, no fun, a little cheaper to get, a little over $100. So we have our 5-1 Sierra regular and then the super premium box. Save that one for last. All these are encased. So that's a nice deal. Been working on tracking down some newer stuff. Mosaic, I'll probably just wait for retail to come out. That's dropped recently. Alright, and there we go. Our first one is a QB of Max Duggan, who did play in the national championship last year. And that is 11 of 75. So out of this class, we have hit Stroud and a Duggan now. Or Duggan. Not the one you're probably looking for out of here, since you can find him in Panini, I believe. But we're looking for Stroud, Young, and Levis. Maybe the first 2, just because you can't pull their autographs in the Panini products. Yeah, like I said, I'm thinking about getting a score. The prices are dropping, so we'll see if we can score hobby box. It's not my favorite product, but much more affordable. And hey, there we go, Jake Moody, who I just picked up for my fantasy team, 4 out of 75, kicking for the 49ers. So not a bad card there for a kicker. He's having himself a good season so far. I think he was one of the earliest draft picks for a kicker in quite a while. So we're going to pull a kicker that's new, and that's a good one. Card number 3. Kalijah Cansey. So I'm not sure about him. 22 out of 25, defensive tackle. He'll need a little more research. So, yeah, we'll see what we find for 2023 stuff. I might try to do some even older stuff. Do some, look back at some older products from the early 2000s to mid 2000s. And then we got a sideways card. This is looking good. Cool. Keyshawn Boot. That's a cool looking card there. For your New England Patriots, 12 out of 25. So cool looking card. I think he can make it up in the back. I have not seen really too much pulled out of the sideways like that out of Alumination. So very cool card there. All right, final one before we get to the super premium. Overall, not too bad. Hope our last box was better with the Stroud, but still fun cards to rip. Alright, and this one looks like we are going to go with Clayton Tunes. We do have another quarterback, and he is with the Cardinals. This is my second auto of him. Did pull one of his autos in a draft picks product, maybe. So Clayton Tune. Put him in the back. That one's 1 of 5, so very short print, very cool. We'll throw him up there. I don't know if he'll get a chance to show what he can do or not this year. But hey, can't run the quarterback. There's always that chance. I mean, Purdy's proved it last year, and obviously Tom Brady wasn't a highly recruited or sought after guy with the draft, so maybe he'll get a chance to shine. All right, before we get to the super premium, if you haven't yet, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. And like I said, I'm gonna try to find some 2023. Obviously, we'll be getting some Mosaic retail and maybe some older product. And who knows what's gonna come with Panini? If that's Mosaic, might be one of their final products. So, all right, without making this any longer than it needs to be, let's see what we got for our final one. Looks like it is a white, and we have a wide receiver. And Jigba would be great in this, or Addison would be even better. Not looking like either one of those guys. We have Raheem Jarrett, wide receiver for Smashing. Not sure where he is right now, but that is a 1 of 2. Still no 1 of 1s out of any of these, but a couple 1 of 2s. Very cool looking card. Raheem Jarrett. Very nice. Cool cards. Really enjoy this product for the price. I feel like you maybe not always get your money back, but compared to buying hobby boxes with Panini, you know, at $400, $300, I feel like you do get better value overall out of this product. Not as collectible. Some people aren't into it because it's not licensed. Some don't care. They just want, you know, their favorite players' autographs at a decent price. So, yeah, fun way to go. Obviously, this is a cool card. Would have preferred in Jigba. But hey, cool card. 1 of 2. Another wide receiver here, Boot, who's not too bad as well. And that one is out of 25. Cool card is there. A couple QBs with Clayton Tune and Max Duggan. And Clayton Tune's out of 5, so that's a nice card. And then 1 defensive player, and I'd say we got probably about as good a kicker as you could get. So that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the future with some more rips. See you later.